Hello, in this video we will understand few basic things about Cisco IOS. So guys, when you click on the router, you can log in into the router. When you click on the switch, you can log in into any switch. So this is the topology that I am going to use throughout the video course. So if I have to talk about this particular router, let's say I logged out from the router. Now this is user mode. When you type the command enable, you can get into privilege mode. Now after running the command configure space terminal, you can get into global configuration mode. Now guys, the concept is like what are the basic things that you should know about so that you can easily use this particular CLI. So first is question mark. You have question mark support, which will tell you how many options are present. Next is a tab feature, which I like the most. If you write the half command and you press tab, if no other options are present with similar keywords, router will complete the command for you. For example, if I'm writing here ENA and I press question mark, it means for ENA there is only one keyword available, that is enable. So you can press tab, so router will complete the keyword for you, enable. Now you can press enter. So this is how you can use tab, question mark, configure space terminal. Now let's say you want to set banner on the device. So you will write banner MOTD. Now delimiting character means in between these characters you can specify your message. So welcome to CCNA class. So if I log out from the device, I can see the banner welcome to CCNA class. Now to get into privilege mode, command is enable. To get into global configuration mode, command is configure terminal. Now there are two types of passwords that you can set on Cisco IOS. First one is enable password Cisco. Let's say I'm setting the password Cisco 1234. So first thing, this password will, okay, the router will ask for this password whenever you try to go from user mode to privilege mode. Let me show you. Okay, let me run the command disable. So whenever I type enable here, router will asking me a password. It is the same password, Cisco 1234. Now next, if I run the command show run, I can see the password is present in my configuration, running configuration in plain text form. Now what do you want? You want to secure your password, because in future I will tell you that we always copy configuration of our devices on remote servers. So if someone is able to access those servers and they are able to fetch configuration of our devices, they can easily calculate the password. So we want a secure mechanism for keeping the passwords in the configuration. So we use enable secret. So I'm using the command enable secret Cisco 4321. So this command will also set password when you try to go from user mode to privilege mode. Now you will ask me, Piyush, both the passwords are set. Enable password also, enable secret also. Enable secret is always preferred over enable password command. So this time, if you try to log in, you have to use the command Cisco 4321. If you use the command, if you use the password Cisco 1234, you will not be able to log in. You have to use enable secret password Cisco 4321. Next thing, if you check the running configuration now, you can see your password is encrypted. So this is the basic difference between enable password and enable secret command. So guys, in this video we have seen few basic concepts of Cisco CLI and how you can set enable password and enable secret password. Thank you.